Good evening, everyone. This is an update on the 64 Impala project. Finally got the fender painted. This project's been really long in the making, and I can't wait to get it finished. But yeah, there you go. I'm pretty happy with it. It's gonna take a couple of days to cure, and then we'll get on the wet sanding process and polish it all up and get it back on the car. Actually, I might get it back on the car sooner than that. That way I can have a buddy of mine come over and get the hood back on, and I can putter away and let this cure then. Just be really careful with it, that's all. Yeah, right. Always seem to end up scratching something. But yeah, um, there you go. I hate saying there's not much for me to say, and I don't want this to be end up being a short video. But the paint match is pretty darn good. It was matched to really clean original paint. We got to remember the car is 58 years old, and there's going to be a little bit of difference, but it's pretty close. I'm not going to complain too much about it, but it is what it is. Especially when I get the whole lower part of the car down. The top part of the fender's dirty. You can't relate that to what this paint is. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I appreciate all you watching. This is a test in patience. Like I said, I'm not a professional. This just goes to show that anybody can do this. It's all straight. Any body person would be hard pressed to find major flaws. So if you spend the time on it and take your time, everything will come out. Just be careful with your measurements when you're mixing your paint. That's all. And be aware of the humidity, which is what my issue's been here. Anyways, I'll cut this out and try to have something to eat and go to bed. Sorry for rambling on here. Thank you for watching. You all have a good evening. Take care now.